Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a supported iPhone or iPad, updated iOS, and charged AirPods. Pair your AirPods now through Settings Bluetooth. Make sure they appear connected. Once done, add the hearing control to Control Center so Live Listen is one swipe away. You should also clean ear tips and check fit. Sound leaks reduce benefit. These steps prepare your device and hardware so you can enable accessibility features that let AirPods act like a hearing aid immediately. You now configure the detailed settings that create meaningful amplification and clarity. Open Control Center and tap Hearing to start Live Listen. Position your iPhone toward the speaker. Next, go to Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual Headphone Accommodations and tailor the preset or custom profile. Boost high frequencies for speech clarity. Make sure audio balance favors the weaker ear, and enable conversation, boost, or transparency adjustments on compatible AirPods for focused voices. You finish by testing in real situations. Start Live Listen, walk around, and tweak volume until speech is clear without harshness. Make sure the fit and ear seal are comfortable. A good seal improves bass and speech separation. Check battery percentages frequently and close unused apps that use the mic. If Live Listen drops or sound is wrong, reset your AirPods, unpair and repair, verify microphone access in settings, and restart your phone. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity and audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.